Westermans here again with a AMI 415 with a AMI 52 weld head, working on the same ring system as the M15 head. This head is ABC oscillation, and as you can see, or possibly not see, the tungsten is the oscillating tungsten. Wire is running at this present time. This is also fitted with a camera system. The 415 power source with pendant control and dual cool. Head itself is cooled. Plenty of cables. Vision on the pendant. This machine will be serviced to order. We also carry a large range of AMI, swage lock, orbitalum, Dronius, polysude, orbitals.